got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though ambition, flow inside my DNA.
Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy ShawnBNice, back again with someone heat rocking. Today we're taking a look at is if the Gear S3 is actually worth the purchase if you have a iPhone device. Is, do you still get notifications? What can you and can't you do on this watch? I'm gonna let you guys check that out now. I wasn't doing a vlog, man, but I feel like that's just not gonna be what I wanna do with it if I get to the day, because I don't think I'll be able to. But what I can say is I know some people, like I actually got a buddy who has an iPhone, he does not want an Apple Watch. I'm like, well, you can't be the only person out there. And he actually wanted to get a Samsung Gear Watch because it's compatible with Apple device. All you gotta do is download the app. I'm right here, as you guys can see that. But he just, wanted to see if it was worth it. I said, you know what, bro, I'll check it out for you, and if it's actually worth mentioning, I'll even do a video for it. So shout out to my dude Esteban. You know who you are, man. Appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. So here we go. First things first, this thing is still connected to my Note 8, right? So more than likely, I'm probably gonna have to reset this watch. Let's see if it, let's see, because I tried to set it up. Maybe it can still connect to it. So first we're gonna go ahead and go to Bluetooth, and let's see if we gotta reset it. Hopefully we do not though, because trust me. So just from, experience, like I said right now, the setup process is a pain in the butt, okay? Right now it's connected, thank God. And let's see if we still if we refresh it. So FYI, the reason why this watch wasn't connected is because to connect to a new phone, you have to reset the gear to a new phone. So all my media files are gonna be deleted, which sucks. But again, at least this way you guys can actually see the setup process. So let's start that now. And I will come back to you guys when this is all done. Okay, back at it. So here we have the device. It's already, it's new. I wiped everything, all my music is gone, sadly. But let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys the setup process, show you guys just how it's gonna be like. So here's the only thing that I guess upsets me. It doesn't take this long on my Note 8. Obviously Samsung device is gonna work better, but as you guys can see, man, it takes forever and a day to just get this part set up alone. That's the part I really don't kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. It's still searching, it's still trying to set up. Okay, after taking forever, it's asking, let's pair up. It'll pairing. Okay, agree to all. It done. It recognizes that some of the stuff I already have has been there already, so it's just restoring it or whatever. Okay, keep Gear S watch running. Okay, now, so we gotta go through all this again, clear all. Pretty much, you set up a new watch, okay? So, here's the thing. Here's your interface for the iPhone users to let me know how much battery you get, still storage and all that RAM and all that. Can you attach audio to it? Let's see if you can actually send stuff to it like you can on the Samsung devices. Okay, as you guys can see, the UI is very, minimalistic. So you can do Find My Gear and stuff like that. You got auto update, we can turn that on using Wi-Fi only. Let's see what else we can do. I'm actually trying to look for the settings. Here we go. So you can transfer photos. That's me playing around with the selfie camera and whatnot. So I don't really see there's any other options to say anything else, unfortunately. Gear Music Manager. So you can check this out. The function allows you to easily send tracks to your gear via a browser using Wi-Fi. Again, it's easier to do it on a Samsung device or whatever, but let's just see the main two things is, can you respond to text? Can you answer phone calls on this device? I'm gonna call it with my Note 8. Hopefully my number doesn't pop up. If it do, I'll just blur it out. Here we go. I am calling myself now. All right, so I just haven't changed my contact listing because I switched numbers. But as you guys can see, I am calling on my Note 8 and it's ringing. Now can we answer it? You have to go to your phone to actually, use the device. As far as like talk on it, that sucks. But you can't answer and reject the call. So I guess if you have like maybe some Apple AirPods in, you can answer that way and talk through that. But you can't talk through it through your watch. So that's one mishap. Now let's send a text message. Now on the Note 8, you can obviously send a text message to yourself, and you can respond to it real quickly with some quick templates, or you can write something out. Let's see if we do the same thing with this. Okay, we got a message, the screen didn't light up, unfortunately. I got a message and says, Sean, I just put FF, can you reply? No. Only thing you can do is block the app, or you can clear it out, or you can clear it, but you cannot respond to text messages on here. So honestly, what good is having a smartwatch if you can't even respond to a simple text message and phone calls? If you guys gotta sit there and check like, oh, okay, I got a notification. Besides the way it look, yeah, it look good on your wrist if you don't want an Apple Watch, I get that. But at the same token, if you have a Samsung device, you can answer the phone calls, you can send a text message back, you add music straight from your phone. Like, you can't do none of that with the Apple device. So what I recommend you buying a Samsung smartwatch with an iPhone 10 or any Apple device. No, I do not. This thing does not work well with just Apple devices. I'm sorry, it's not ready yet. If they have the option where you could actually do more, maybe send Apple Music, maybe if they have the Apple Music app on here and it's synced up, that would be good. Answering phone calls on your watch and actually being able to speak through your watch, stuff like that. Other than that, that's not heat rock. I'm sorry. For those out there who are wondering, do not buy the Samsung Gear S watch with an Apple device. Other than that, man, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope I answered y'all questions very straight to the point. I'm not one of those YouTubers who's gonna sit there and drag something out, man. If I'm gonna answer the question that was in the thumb title and get straight to it, you know what I'm saying? I'm one of those people, very straight and narrow, you know what I'm saying? So it's your boy ShawnBNice, man. Thank y'all for watching. Help this video get 25 likes. It definitely does help my channel out. Seriously, I'm not just saying that crap. It definitely does help me out. But if you didn't like the video, I'm not scared either. Dislike it. If you didn't like it, if you wanted to see more, let me know. Dislike the video. I'm cool with that. It's your boy ShawnBNice, man. I'm out. Deuces.